The power of question words, your gateway to better English conversations. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we'll be delving into the world of question words and how you can use them to formulate follow-up questions. This will help you respond to introductions in English more effectively, making your conversations engaging and informative. First things first, let's understand what question words are. In English, question words are those that we use to ask specific types of information. These include words like who, what, when, where, why, and how. Each of these words can help you gather different information during a conversation. For instance, who asks about a person. What asks about a thing or situation. When asks about time. Where asks about a place. Why asks for a reason. How asks about manner or method. Now that we understand what question words are, let's dive into how to use them to create follow-up questions. Imagine someone just introduced themselves to you, saying, "Hi, I'm Jane, and I'm a software engineer from California." You can use question words to dig deeper into this introduction. Who inspired you to become a software engineer? What made you decide to pursue software engineering? When did you move to California? Where in California do you live? Why did you choose California as your place to live? How did you learn software engineering? See how easy that is? With question words, you can turn a simple introduction into a deeper conversation. To get comfortable with these question words, it's all about practice. Start incorporating these words into your daily English conversations. Don't be afraid to ask follow-up questions, as this shows your interest in the other person and encourages more engaging discussions. Here's a tip. Pay close attention to the details when someone is introducing themselves or giving you new information. This way, you can easily come up with relevant follow-up questions using the question words. And there you have it, folks. That's your quick guide to using question words to formulate follow-up questions in English. I hope this video has been helpful, and you feel more confident in making your English conversations engaging and informative. Remember, learning is a journey, so keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, happy learning!